Hi everyone, this is a channel to learn and treat with herbal medicine. Please register for channels to regularly update the latest news. According to Oriental medicine, sim fruit has a sweet taste, acrid, calculating the average effect of only blood activity. Often use sim fruit in case of physical weakness, anemia due to blood loss, pregnancy anemia, weak people tired after illness, neurasthenia, tinnitus, sperm. In Vietnam, sim is a familiar tree species in bare hills, throughout midland, low mountain, and plain provinces. Parts used as drugs, leaves, fruits and roots, Folium, Fructus et Radix Rhodomyrti Tomentosae. Leaves are collected in summer, used fresh or dried. Ripe fruits are collected in the fall. People are collected and washed, drained and cooked, dried, preserved for use. The roots are harvested all year round, washed, sand, finely chopped, dried. Drugs from sim fruits. In sim fruit contains a little protein, fat powder, sugar, anthocyanin red substance, flavon-glucosids, malvidin-3 glucoside, phenol compounds, amino acids, and organic acids. Anthocyanin in sim fruit is a natural organic compound belonging to the red flavonoid group, giving beautiful colors, safety, and good biological activities to humans, can help the body fight cancer, antioxidant, anti-ultraviolet rays, anti-inflammatory, anti-aging. Sim fruit with sweet taste, acrid, an average effect of blood circulation, blood and activity. Often used in case of physical weakness, anemia due to blood loss, pregnancy anemia, weak people tired after illness, neurasthenia, tinnitus, dioxin. Use 10–15 grams of dried fruit and boil water to drink. Blood tonic, kidney tonic, body refresher. 12 grams dried sim fruit, black bean, star, 16 grams, ginseng onion, aromatic star, 12 grams, young strawberry leaf, star. Cook with 500 milliliters of water, 200 milliliters in sharp color, divide 2 times, drink before meals. Pregnant women with anemia, depressed people after getting sick. Dried Simpsons 15–20 grams, washed, cooked with 500 milliliters of water, 200 milliliters longer, and divided 2 times a day. Women with hemorrhage, bleeding. Black star dried apricot fruit count, like coal, crushed into fine powder, put into jars, sealed buttons for gradual use. Take 12–15 grams each time, with cooled boiled water. This powder is also used to treat skin wounds. Domus, rectum protruding out of the anus. Fresh sim fruit 30–60 grams, dry from 10 to 20 grams, cooked with pork stomach, seasoning to taste and eat at meal time. Dysentery, abdominal cramps, defecation many times, the amount of stool is less mixed with blood, lice. Fresh sim fruit 30–50 grams, dry 12–20 grams, washed, sharpened with drinking water, when drinking a little more honey. People also process sim wine in the following way. Ripe sim fruits, remove damaged fruits, wash thoroughly, cut off the head, put in clean jars, marinate with sugar. Just put 1 sim layer, add 1 layer of sugar above. You can use white sand sugar or alum sugar powder. Close the lid and wait until the sim fermented into alcohol and take it out. This water is also called sim honey, drink sweet, acrid and has a characteristic aroma of sim. Or use ripe fruit sim, rinse thoroughly, drain, puree and ferment with sand sugar in a certain ratio in rare and medium environments from 40 to 45 days. After a complete fermentation product, we will get a pink wine, sweet and sour taste like grape wine with a concentration of about 11.5%. Sim fruit wine has a digestive aid, helps to eat well, sleeps well, strong tendons, prevents hand and foot aches, especially in the elderly, enhances the body's resistance. Medications from sim leaves. Stems and leaves have many triterpene compounds such as betulin, betulinic acid, taraxerol. Sim leaves also contain a lot of L-arginine, when combined with substances from flowers sim fruit to form a good medicine to treat hepatitis. The rhodomyrtone in the sim leaves acts as an antibiotic, helping to fight the entry of bacteria such as Escherichia coli and Staphylococcus aureus, which cause food poisoning, gastrointestinal disorders. According to Oriental medicine, sim leaves are sweet, acrid, average, effective in reducing pain, hemostatic, poisonous canopy, pus, muscle. Used to treat headache, dysentery, foreign trade hemorrhage, foot sores. Day use 12–16 grams dry leaves, 25–30 grams fresh, sharp drink. Sim leaves are used to make high-quality drugs, used to treat burns with very good results. High sim leaves do not cause pain, fast pain, spread ulcers, clean wounds and heal quickly. How to do: sim card 1 kilogram, washed, chopped, cooked with 20 liters of water, cooked many times, then she became 250 grams high. On top of many burns on a burn, usually only use about 10 to 12 days to have results. Medications from sim buds. Sim buds are rich in tannin, nicotinic acid, flavonic, riboflavin. According to Oriental medicine, sim buds are sweet, acrid, average, effective as hemostatic, except for poisonous heat, pus, only described. Use for diarrhea, dysentery. On 8–10 grams, sharp drink. Use outside, cook concentrated water, wash wound and ulcer. Cure diarrhea due to cold. Bud 8–10 grams, fresh ginger, grilled scallop shell, 8–10 grams, root galangal 10–12 grams, lemongrass 10–12 grams. All ripe stars, cooked with 500 milliliters of water, with a color of 200 milliliters, divided 2 times before meals. Cure heat-related diarrhea. Bud sim 8–10 grams, tea buds 12–16 grams. 2 things are washed, cooked with 500 milliliters of water, 200 milliliters in sharp color, divided 2 times to drink before meals. Cure dysentery. Bud sim 20–30 grams, cooked with 500 milliliters of water, with 200 milliliters color, divide 2 times before meals. Drugs from roots sim. Sim roots have a sweet, slightly acidic taste, pacify, effect on the area, except for low, active, collected, hemostatic, descriptive. Often used to treat rheumatism, joint pain, back pain, infectious hepatitis, dysentery, gastritis, acute intestine, indigestion, hemorrhage, domination, escaping jiang. On use 15–30 grams dry, sharp drink. For external use, the star burns the properties, approves a fine powder, mixed with sesame oil to cure burns. Acute infectious hepatitis. Dried simmer root 30 grams, cooked with 500 milliliters of water, 200 milliliters longer, sharply divided 2 times after meals. Each course presents 20 days. If the jaundice is heavy, add medicinal herbs, the core of the roots, the sealing, the white flower of the herb, each 15 grams, the draught of 30 grams, cook with 750 milliliters of water, the color is 300 milliliters, divide 2 times after taking the meal. Wind is low, aching joints, dry roots of 60 grams, sharp water, mixed with some alcohol to drink. Back pain, rheumatism, aches and pains, sim root 30 grams, 10 grams grass root, 10 grams guy's leaves, 12 grams earth broth, 5-pack family, or millennium, 12 grams, 10 grams roots. Cook with 750 milliliters, sharp with 200 milliliters, divide 2 times before meals. Sim leaves, sim buds and roots of sim contain many acrid substances, so people with constipation due to heat should not be used for drinking. In addition to the sim tree mentioned above, there is a type of sim called forest sim, 3-rib sim, sim mini, that grows in secondary forests and in the hills of Midland. Forest sim has the scientific name Rhodomyrti Tomentosae, Mern. Et Perry. Edible forest sim fruit, parts used as medicine are fruits, leaves, roots. Effect as well as the sim species mentioned above. One thing to keep in mind is that, the outer tree is a precious medicinal plant, it also works to keep soil, water, anti-erosion and anti-drifting, an important vegetation to keep water sources for high land. In order to have a mature SIM plant, it takes more than 10 years, so it is best to exploit the fruit SIM for food and medicine. Only use SIM roots as medicine when absolutely necessary, no other drugs. The eradication of the SIM to take root is a job that needs to be alerted and must be promptly stopped. Hi everyone.